connecting rod bolts. We'll do it in 2 sequences. First one, we'll torque it to 30. And then we'll come back and torque it to 50. Break the bolts loose. Torque it to 50 again. Break the bolts loose one more time. Torque it to 50 one last time. And then it'll be set. Got my torque wrench and socket on there. So I'm going to set it now to 30 foot-pounds. Lock it. Torque it. 30 foot-pounds. 30. 30. 30. 30. Go back. No, set it to 50. Foot-pounds. Lock it. Go 50 pounds now. Oh, it's already there. 50. 50. 50. 50. 50. 50. 50. Now, you gotta break them loose and do the sequence 2 more times. Just the second time we do it.
So right on the first one.
There we go. Right here. All right. Break it loose. Break it loose. Break it loose. Break it loose. Same thing. Torque wrench, already set to 50. Torque it again. 50 foot-pounds. That's what they cost for. 50. 50. 50. 50. 50. 50. One more time. Break it loose. Break it loose. Break it loose. Break it loose. This will be the last time we do it. Remember, this time, set it and forget it. We're good. 50. Yep. One more time. 50. Just like that. 50. 50. One more time. 50. 50. Just like that. Now, just to make sure that it's set, I got a digital torque wrench. So, let's turn this on. Set it to 50 just to make sure that we are actually at 50. It's just a torque adapter. Just helps me out. It's alright to check your torque multiple times. That just lets you know that it's torqued properly. 50 foot-pounds. Right there. Alright, got that. Calibrate. Good to go. Set it on there. Go, go, go. Oop, there it is. Long beat means set. Long beat means set. Long beat, set. Just like that. Going to the other side real quick. Turn it around. Right there. One more time. Well, 4 more times. Right here. There we go. Torque is set. 50 foot-pounds. 3 stages. Just like that. After that, the pistons are set. Everything's ready to go. Only thing you got to worry about now, putting your oil pump in, front and rear main seals, which I will do when I get my oil pump in. My oil pump will not be here until, well, I just ordered it last night, so it probably won't be here till Friday. So y'all probably won't get another video until Saturday. So Saturday we be putting oil pump in, oil pump chain, front and rear main seals, and then the complete bottom end will be done and we'll be ready to put the cylinder head on, which is gonna be fun. Bye.